Today I am going to discuss about different methods of negative number representation of binary numbers. So um, to do that, to represent a negative number representation of binary numbers, we need to know two very basic methods. First one is one's complement and second one is two's complement. The first one is one's complement. So what are the rules of one's complement? The 0 is converted to 1 and 1 is converted to 0. So this is the rule of one's complement. Let's see one example. 1010. So this is my binary number. I have to convert it to one's complement form. So what I have written in the rules, 0 is converted to 1 and 1 is converted to 0. So 0 is converted to 1, that 1 is converted to 0, that 0 is converted to 1 and that 1 is converted to 0. So 0101 is my one's complement form of 1010. Let's see another example. 11010010. So here that 0 will be converted to 1, that 1 will be converted to 0, that 0 will be converted to 1, that 0 will be converted to 1 again, that 1 will be converted to 0, that 0 will be converted to 1 and that 1 will be converted to 0 0. Okay. So this is the ones complement, that 00101101 is the ones complement form of 11010010. Then we will see two's complement. So what is the rule of two's complement? 1 is added with one's complement. So my binary number is again 1010. Then first we will do one's complement of that number. So that 0 is converted to 1, that 1 is converted to 0, that 0 is converted to 1, that 1 is converted to 0. So this is my one's complement form of 1010. 0101 is the one's complement of 1010. Then we will add plus 1. Okay. So that 1 plus 1 will be 0. There will be one carry. That 0 plus 1 will be 1. Then that 1 come, that 0 comes. So 0110 is the two's complement of 1010. Then the next example, let's see the next example. 11010010. First convert it to one's complement. So 0 is converted to 1, that 1 is converted to 0, that 0 is converted to 1, that 0 is converted to 1, 1 is converted to 0. That 0 is converted to 1, that 1 is converted to 0, that 1 is converted to 0. So this is my ones complement of that number. So then I will add 1 with it. So that 1 plus 1 will be 0, that 0 plus carry 1 will be 1, then 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. So 0, 0, 1, 0, 11110 is my two's complement of 11010010. Then we will do the operation. First, negative number representation of binary number can be defined in three ways. First one is sign magnitude, second one is signed one's complement, and third one is signed two's complement. First, see the sign magnitude form. What are the rules? Represent the number as 8-bit, 16-bit or 32-bit. Then the first bit is called sign bit. Rest of the bits are called magnitude bit. Then 0 in sign bit is represented as positive number. 1 in sign bit is represented as negative number. So let's see one example, then we will understand what is happening here. If I take that number -9, so I want to represent it in negative number representation sign magnitude form. So first represent that 9, that magnitude part, that 9. First convert that 9 into binary number. So the binary representation of 9 is 1001. So this is my binary representation of 9. Then what I have told in the rules, represent the number as 8 bit, 16 bit or 32 bit. So I am converting that 1001 to 8 bit binary representation. So that will be 00001001. So 4 zeros are added because it is a 4 bit number. So 4 zeros are added before that, then it will be converted to an 8 bit number. So this is my 8 bit representation of 9. Then what I have said that the first bit is called sign bit. So the first bit is called sign bit and the rest of the bits are called magnitude bit. So if I see that number, that 8 bit representation of the number, so it is a +9 representation because it is my sign bit and it is 0. So 0 is what? 0 is called the positive number. If 0 is in the sign bit, then it is called positive number. So it is my +9. But I have to convert it into -9. So I have to make it 1. Because 1 in sign bit is represented as negative number. So that 1, then the rest of the bits. So 1, then 000010001. That 0 will come, that 0 will come, that 0 will come, then 1, then 0, then 0, then 1. So this is my sign magnitude representation of a binary number. Then signed ones complement. What is the rules? Represent the number as 8 bit, 16 bit or 32 bit. Then convert it into ones complement. So I am taking again -9. So first 9 will be converted to binary number. So 1001 is the binary representation of 9. Then 8 bit binary representation. So I have to convert that 1001 to 8 bit binary representation by adding 4 zeros. It is similar as the previous one. Then I will convert that number to ones complement form. That 1 will be converted to 0, that 0 will be converted to 1, that 0 will be converted to 1, that 1 will be converted to 0, that 0 will be converted to 1, that 0 will be converted to 1, that 0 0 will be converted to 1 1. So this is my ones complement form of signed binary number representation. Next we will do signed twos complement. So let's start with the example. So this is my -9. First I will convert it to binary representation. So that is 1001. Then I will convert it to 8 bit binary representation. Then I will convert it into ones complement form. So 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 0. So this is my ones complement form of -9. But I want to convert it to twos complement form. So I will add +1 with it. So 1 plus 0 will be 1. So my number will be 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. So this is my twos complement representation of a negative binary number. So this there are 3 ways of converting a binary number, a negative binary number. Thank you.